In the quiet corners of America's earliest universities, a new kind of science was beginning to take shape. From these forgotten pages and dimly lit rooms, a story emerges, one that would reshape how humanity understands the mind. But who sparked this revolution in America? And how did it all begin? His name was James McKean, a young thinker whose determination would forever alter the course of psychology. He was raised in a small Pennsylvania town, surrounded by simple routines, but his mind reached far beyond them. In this peaceful home, curiosity took root, a quiet fascination with people, behavior, and the unseen workings of thought. Long nights spent studying lit the path ahead, as he searched for answers hidden inside the human mind. At Lafayette College, his ideas sharpened. Here, he began to see the mind not as mystery, but as something that could be studied.
Books became his tools, each page revealing new possibilities and deeper questions. He grew fascinated by measurement, by the idea that human thought could be observed, recorded, and understood scientifically. And with graduation, one chapter closed, while a far greater journey was just beginning. To pursue real scientific training, he crossed the ocean toward the heart of a new intellectual movement.
The voyage carried him toward discovery, toward a mentor who would forever change his path.
Germany was the birthplace of experimental psychology, and its universities pulsed with innovation.
Inside these laboratories, new machines tested reaction, attention, and the speed of thought itself. And at the center of it all stood Wilhelm Wundt, the man who sought to turn psychology into a true science.
Cattell learned precision, using instruments designed to measure the mind with mechanical accuracy.
Here, thought became data, each test revealing patterns hidden beneath human behavior.
He recorded everything, building a foundation for what would become modern psychological measurement. The laboratory filled with charts and observations, each detail shaping a new scientific worldview.
Late nights turned into breakthroughs. This was more than study. It was obsession, a drive to redefine the field.
And then, one night, clarity struck. A moment of understanding that would guide his life's mission. Guided by mentorship, he refined his methods and strengthened his vision. Soon, he no longer followed, he led. A scientist emerging with confidence and purpose. His work found its way into scientific journals, earning recognition far beyond the laboratory walls.
Now transformed, he prepared for the next great chapter, bringing this new science home.
With knowledge gathered and purpose clear, he began the long journey back to America. Across the waves, he carried ideas that would soon reshape an entire nation's understanding of the mind. As the American coastline came into view, a new era was waiting for him. Here, he would build something groundbreaking, something that had never existed in America before.
He returned not as a student, but as a pioneer.
But the real story, what he created, and how he transformed American psychology, was only just beginning.
In the next episode, his revolution unfolds.